This here is not a G model, although it's looking like it, but this is a 911 Turbo 3.3 Cabriolet. It is 3.0 liter and bigger of the G series. Obviously, model looking like G series. So when they had a turbo, they had at least 3.0 liter size of the engine. Then these have been called the model 930. Oh, such a beautiful car. Let's take a look here. This particular one is from 1989. And here's something, that's something Thomas 2 years ago, I haven't seen him this year. He told me that the turbos have always 2 exhaust pipes. So here from 1985, Porsche 911 Cabriolet, but this was the study car. So back when they were not yet producing the Cabriolet, but just wanted to show it, to see what's possible and if there's a market, of course. And yeah, there was of course a market. Oh, I'm loving this color. Absolutely beautiful car. Here stands Porsche. So amazing. Oh, take a look at the interior. Absolutely beautiful. So this was shown in 1985 at the IAA, so the Frankfurt Motor Show. The series production was looking slightly different on the rear end. But well, as you notice, people were saying, wow, and they wanted it, and they got it. And here, from 1982, Porsche 924, but not just any 924. You can also see it's a 924 because we have just the simple fender flares here. This here is, well, you can see it here. It needs some extra air here as well, because this one has a turbo. So with a 2.0 liter engine in the front, because actually this wasn't planned to become a Porsche, or maybe a VW Porsche like the 914. A little bit unsure about that. But well, this one has 177 horsepower. This is the steering of a 99X electric. Some models. I did notice that they definitely changed something in the main exhibition. Anyway, here also on top, beautiful cars. I filmed them before because, well, oh, beautiful. And here this one, it's so fantastic. Didn't expect to see this. 1986, McLaren tag team, Niki Lauda and Adam Prost. This one is obviously from Adam Prost. Cheers. Only Germans will get the joke. Yeah, it was the Porsche Formula 1 team from back then. 850 horsepower, top speed, 350 kilometers per hour. If you want to know what it is in miles, well, Google is your helper. Notice they've changed the main exhibition compared to the last time when I've been here. But it's also interesting because then it's looking a little bit different. Anyway, here Porsche 911 Carrera RS from 1991. It's also a very typical color for the 90s. My favorite decade, because cars have looked so amazing with colors, not like nowadays when everything is white and black, and then of course the 50 Shades of Grey. This is also something very interesting. This was never being produced in series. This is a Porsche 928, or the stunning color. But this is the S4 H50. So we have a rear door. Can only open when this one is opened, of course. And yeah, it's an estate or wagon. But well, that study from 1987 wasn't getting into series production. If I remember right, Porsche had some bad years financially, so they sticked on the normal one. So this year is, by the way, the 928 GTS from 1995. It's, by the way, also a transaxle car. And also being a Grand Tourer to a GT car. Now, this is huge. I was actually believing this is an SUV, but well, it's not. This is a Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid from 2024. Loving its color. You can actually also order all kind of colors when buying a Porsche. Of course, this costs extra, and not just only 1,000 euros or something like that, just more. But yeah, you can do that. This is the other four-door car of Porsche Taycan. The Taycan 4 Cross Turismo in all kind of colors. And the Taycan is the fully electric car. Different platform, so it's not just a Panamera. This is of course a car for itself, and this is looking like it is the wagon. Yeah. It's from 2021, by the way. But here once again the Panamera Porsche 968 CS, also looking stunning, especially in yellow. It's from 1994, so also a car from 90s, 3.0 liter, 240 horsepower. Beautiful. And another car from the 90s, Porsche 911 RS, or Carrera RS to be more precise. Already an evolution of the whale fin, if you're looking at the spoiler wing. This one is from 1995, 3.8 liter with 300 horsepower. Also typical color from the 90s back then. I believe you also got this color for the Audi RS 2 Avant. And of course you need a fast car to catch these bad boys with the fast Porsches. So Porsche 911 Polizei in the old white and green color combination of the police back in Germany. This is from 1996, 3.6 liters, 285 horsepower. It can be quick.